2.5 years, its stores consumed my life, broke grid, denied access, and every boy from everybody on my scale. Tonight, I made my own legacy. I am Tommy Fury. I want to dedicate this fight to the new baby girl, Happy at home. I miss it. I love you. I can't wait to see you. This fight was for you. If now it's for you, I'm going to love you. This was no easy fight. It took everything in you, all your heart, grit, and soul, even to get up off the canvas. How much was inside you when you stood up off the canvas and finished this fight? All the way through these 2.5 years, I had a dream, I had a vision I would win this fight, and no one believed me. Now I can stand up and everybody can take note. It's my first main event, 23 years old, I had the world on me, I had pressure on my shoulders, and I came through. I know your goal is to be a world champion, but this belt around your shoulders, right?
Oh, watching Tommy Fury and Jake Paul fight earlier. The YouTuber and the boxer. Oh man. We are family. Man, I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy, but today we got parts coming for the motor shop. I think I have. Let me see. I think I have some spark plugs. I'm gonna check my. I'm gonna check my Lazada. Oh shit! I need to update it. I didn't buy everything in Lazada though, but they got Lazada. So Lazada got some good great deals I couldn't pass on. February 27th. I have these containers coming. I bought these so I can put like you can stack them like that, and I bought them so I can put like spark plugs and stuff inside. And then I have something else that says it's coming. Let me check. Let me track. Where is it? I can't see it. Okay, that one. Oh yeah, this one. All these spark plugs. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shit, and I got some brake shoes coming today too. Yep, I got some brake shoes coming in too.